Having a hard time getting that spindle bearing out? We're going to show you the easy way to do it. Well, as you can see, we're rebuilding the front end of our 1972 GMC Jimmy. And as part of that, I want to replace the spindle bearings. And the spindle bearings are kind of pressed in here. They're a little challenging to get out. You could do a blind puller tool that would get them out, but I'm going to show you an easier way. There is a little lip in here on the edge of this tapered roller bearing that should be able to just pop right out. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this bolt and we're going to grind the head down a little bit on it to try to get a slimmer edge to slip in here. Okay, what we've done is, as you can see the profile, we've ground this edge down and we're going to see if that'll get us a little better bite in there. And it does. Just got to make sure we're getting the right direction. And there we go. Magic happens. All right, we've now got the old bearing out, so we're going to go ahead and press a new one in there. There's not much pressing to it. It's actually a little hammering. Okay, we've got the nice shiny new bearing. I have a seal set tool. It's actually a seal and a bearing set tool. And what I'm doing is I'm finding the one that is most closely sized to this bearing. And what we'll do is press the bearing in that way with a little bit of a hammer. Turn this guy back over. Go ahead and clean him out a bit. We're going to try to start watching how this goes in. Make sure that it doesn't go in at an angle. And you'll drive it down until you hear it bottom out like that. And then we're going to take the seal, which goes in the back of this, and we're going to set it on here. And we're going to use a different set tool to put the seal back in. We're just going to use one that's bigger than the seal. This one is actually right about the size of the seal. It seems to be going in good. And you'll hear this one bottom out also. And then that is all it takes to replace the spindle bearings in your outer hub shafts. Got a new seal, bearings, going to grease them up real good before you put them back in there. And that's about all it takes. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane channel. Hope you found this video helpful, and you won't have to go buy another tool. Just grind the head of a bolt off.
Oh wait, I almost forgot. Our legal team made me promise to display this disclaimer before we ended the video. Please take a moment to read it before you make any buying decisions.